Order up.
Order up.
Order up, guys.
Another episode of In the Weeds podcast with Chef
Spike Mendelsohn.
I didn't want to go back to violent kitchens. We were throwing pans at people.
What is this, Halloween?
Lady got really pissed at me the other night.
Double
I wanted
down.
fire.
You wanted fire.
That's construed as being okay, fine.
Does she watch this?
So she literally grabbed us, walked out, took us home.
You're giving me goosebumps, right?
Yeah.
It's like, hey, you want to come on Top Chef and kick your brother's ass? And I'm like, okay, here we go.
The greatest thing that you can do for society is to create a job.
Dude, we were doing 80 hours a week to the point where I started coughing up blood one day.
And I was just like, what the f am I doing? Take it! Don't warm my nuts. Right.